This is an Xbox 360 power brick, and so it's a really old one. It uses basically a normal power plug, but there's a notch here. There's a notch at the very top, so you can't just use a regular computer power plug. So I tried looking for this online on eBay and Amazon. I couldn't find one. I didn't feel like spending $20 or $30 on a new power brick with the power plug. So hopefully you can see that there's a notch at the top over here. There's that notch. So I took a regular computer cable like this over here. Took a regular computer cable. Then used basically a utility knife to cut the top over here. Let me zoom. So I cut the top so there'd be a notch. I mean, if I could have bought one, I searched around, I would just go buy one. Maybe Best Buy has one, but I don't want to spend $10 for just this little power plug. That's really just a desktop power plug with a notch in there, so now it fits into there. I need two hands to do this, but it'll fit in now. So that's how I got this, made my own plug here with the utility knife. I don't know where the utility knife is, but that's how you can do it.